In this video, I will show you how to log into YouTube Studio. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do first is come across to youtube.com, and then if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click the sign in button just up here. Now YouTube is actually owned by Google, so at this point you need to log in with your Google account, or it could be a Gmail, but you just want to enter that into here. So what I'm going to do is use my Tech Tutor account, so I'm going to enter that into the box here. Once you've done that, come and click next at the bottom, and then what you can do is enter the password for your account. Once that's done, click next, and what that's going to do is log you into YouTube. If you do have two-step verification enabled, then make sure to do that as well. And once you've logged in, as you can see, your YouTube is going to load through, so you're going to see all your videos and things like that. Now to actually access your YouTube Studio, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're on the correct account first of all. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon up here and hover over the switch account option on this menu that comes up, give it a click. What you can then do is select the account or channel that you want to jump into YouTube Studio for. So I'm going to click onto this one, Tech Tutor Example. And once you're in the right account, all you need to do again is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see the option for YouTube Studio. Give that a click, and that's going to take you directly into your YouTube Studio. Once you're logged in, you can also access this by coming across to studio.youtube.com. Now from here, what you can do is you can start uploading videos onto your channel. So you should see in the top right hand corner this create button up here. Give it a click and you're going to see an option to upload videos. You can create posts, go live, and other things as well. So that's how to log into YouTube Studio. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.